I'm the founder of the fashion label Residus, Elin Mohlander. We make dresses out of leftover fabrics. And the idea from the beginning was to source fabrics from fashion houses and factories directly. When we were launching the brand last year, we wanted to find voices to reach out with what we were doing. So we started to interview inspiring women. We released interviews on Wednesday, every Wednesday to begin with. So we started calling them Power Women Wednesday. We have a lot of role models, and many of the women we interview are so inspiring, but also we're talking to people within the industry and outside of the industry, both men and women, that are helping us. A woman's place for me is somewhere where you feel happy and you feel embraced and you feel inspired by others and you feel the sisterhood.